Uddhava Gita, Sri Krishna's Final Teachings. Book by Bhushan Kulkarni. The Uddhava Gita stands as one of the most profound and esoteric spiritual discourses ever given by Sri Krishna. Found in the Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 11, chapters 6 to 29, it is Krishna's final and most intimate teaching, delivered to his beloved devotee Uddhava just before his departure from the earthly realm. While the Bhagavad Gita was spoken on the battlefield of Kurukshetra to guide Arjuna in his duty as a warrior, the Uddhava Gita unfolds in a more contemplative setting, focusing on renunciation, devotion, and ultimate liberation. This scripture serves as Krishna's last gift to humanity, offering a complete roadmap to transcendence in the face of an ever-changing world. Unlike the Bhagavad Gita, which emphasizes righteous action, Karma Yoga, within the framework of worldly duties, the Uddhava Gita delves deeper into detachment, self-realization, and unwavering devotion, Bhakti Yoga. Krishna, in his infinite compassion, instructs Uddhava on how to navigate the impending age of Kali Yuga, where material distractions and spiritual ignorance will cloud the path to liberation. Through captivating parables, metaphors, and philosophical discussions, Krishna unveils the true nature of reality, the impermanence of material existence, and the supreme refuge in divine love. This book, Uddhava Gita, Sri Krishna's Final Teachings, is an attempt to bring together the wisdom of Krishna's last discourse, integrating insights from various commentaries and translations. Unlike other texts that focus solely on the philosophical aspects, this work seeks to make Krishna's teachings more accessible, practical, and deeply relevant for seekers in the modern world. It harmonizes traditional interpretations with contemporary reflections, allowing readers to grasp the essence of Krishna's words in their full spiritual depth. Throughout this book, we explore Krishna's profound insights on the transient nature of the world, the supremacy of bhakti over all other paths, the lessons from nature as revealed by the Avadhuta's 24 gurus, and the ultimate truth of seeing Krishna in everything. His teachings are not just theoretical but serve as a guiding light for those seeking spiritual clarity, inner peace, and liberation from material bondage. The Uddhava Gita presents the ultimate path to transcend the limitations of the ego and embrace the eternal bliss of divine consciousness. As we embark on this journey through Krishna's final teachings, may this humble work serve as an offering to the divine, inspiring devotion, deepening understanding, and bringing the reader closer to the timeless wisdom of Sri Krishna. May his words illuminate our hearts, leading us from illusion to truth, from darkness to light, and from mortality to immortality. With reverence and gratitude. Bhushan Kulkarni. Book link in description.